Good job, honey. You getting on your little Poo-mobile? Nicely done. You're gonna get off all by yourself? Good job.
No. No. No.
Yes, please. Oh, we found Pinky's toy. Where's Panky? Where's Panky? Can you give kisses? Oh, he gave you one back. That was very sweet. It's raining, isn't it? It's raining, honey. Be gentle. Give him a kiss. Give Panky a kiss. Oh, so sweet. He gave you another one back. She yanks the ball out. Is that your Poo-mobile? It's harder to get on from that side, isn't it? Yeah? Where are you going? Kisses. Oh, very sweet, honey. You are being so lovey. Oh, spoke too soon. Good girl.